Google just changed the value proposition around AI Studio. Logan's launch post points to a short official promo, a Google blog entry, and the live Gemini docs. Put together, they show a simple story. If you already pay for Google AI Pro or Ultra, AI Studio is no longer just the free playground on the side. Google is moving paid plan value directly into the builder surface, with higher usage limits, stronger model access, and a cleaner path from prompt to working prototype. The clip is only 46.8 seconds long, so it cannot explain the economics. But it is enough to prove the direction of the rollout. The blog post is where the rollout stops sounding like marketing shorthand and becomes concrete. Google says AI Pro and Ultra subscribers now get increased usage limits inside AI Studio. It also ties the perk to newer model access, including Nano Banana Pro and Gemini Pro. More importantly, Google frames the whole thing as a low setup bridge for builders who have outgrown the free tier but are not ready to think in pure API billing yet. And the same post makes the boundary clear. Once you are actually ready to launch, the standard per request API path still takes over. So this is not replacing the developer platform. It is making the first paid step into it feel easier. The promo itself is selling speed. It starts with title cards, but then it moves into working prototypes fast. Google shows a voxel sandbox, a gesture-driven slingshot game, and the same core workflow repeating over and over. You type a plain language prompt. You pick a Gemini model. You hit build. Then a usable interface appears. There is no usable source narration here, so the visuals matter even more. And the visuals are doing product training. Google wants the viewer to internalize that AI Studio is the quickest path from an idea in English to a shareable app. That repeated rhythm is the real message, more than any single demo. What makes the promo stronger is the range of examples. This is not one can template dressed up 4 different ways. The clip cycles through a voxel sandbox, a slingshot game, a collaborative drawing canvas, and an ISS tracker. Different use cases, same loop. Natural language in, Gemini selected, interactive output on screen. The most persuasive examples are the collaborative canvas and the ISS tracker because they feel closest to real products instead of toy prompts. Then the title cards come back and reinforce the paid message again. Included in your plan. Higher usage limits. Latest models. By the time the AI.Studio end card lands, Google has already taught the viewer what the subscription upgrade is supposed to unlock. The docs are where the hype gets guardrails. Google still measures requests per minute, tokens per minute, and requests per day. Limits are applied at the project level, not per API key. And preview models can stay tighter than stable ones, even when the marketing language sounds generous. The rate limits docs also show a real tier ladder. Free, Tier 1, Tier 2, and Tier 3. Tier 1 begins when you set up and link an active billing account, and higher tiers depend on paid spend and time. So higher usage limits does not mean unlimited. It means a better on-ramp. The clip is aspirational. The docs are operational. Together, they show that Google is expanding access without removing the normal rules that manage cost and scale. That is why this rollout looks like a monetization bridge, not just a feature update. The pricing and billing docs keep free access separate from the higher volume paid path. Paid usage brings more headroom, stronger features like context caching, and clearer access to the best models. Then the billing setup docs spell out the handoff. Moving from the free path to the paid tier means linking a billing account and prepaying credits. Google even documents a minimum $10 prepay. In plain English, the funnel is obvious. Start inside the subscription. Build more comfortably in AI Studio. Then graduate into normal API revenue once the project becomes real. That business logic sits underneath the whole launch. So the bottom line is simple. Prototype here. Scale with the API later. The promo proves the product story. The blog explains Google's intent. And the docs explain the limits. For Pro and Ultra subscribers, this makes AI Studio feel more valuable right now. For indie builders, it creates a softer step between casual Gemini use and full API billing. But it is still bounded by quotas, tiers, and the normal production path. Google AI Studio stays at the center, and the subscription becomes the smoother entry point.